Hello, today I want to share with you how to easily create icons using the Master UI template by Bing. So the thing that we need to do is we need to head to the icon finder page and we need to search for the icon that we want. In this case, I will search for cache and I like this icon that we have here. Remember that we have 3 different versions of icons and I will select the number 3. Then I will head to the table that is below. I will right click, copy and copy value. I have opened here a notepad, which I will paste. I will click on file. I will save as this file, and this one I will save it as cache. Now, the important part in here is that we need to save this file as an SVG. So you will see that I am saving it as cache.svg, and I will click enter, and now I have saved it. Now we have to head to any button that we want to use. This icon, I will select this button because I want to replace the number 1. For the cache, I will head to format button, icon. Then I will go to the icon that I want, select the icon that I want, and I want to select cache. And now we have the icon that is cache. How would you easily change the color of this? Well, let's go back to the SVG that we saved, and you will see that we have this last section that it says fill. I will double click on it to replace the hex color that we have in there, and I will actually replace it for this one that matches the color of the text that is defined by the theme generator. I will click on file, I will save, and now I will close. The same thing. I will select the button. In the button, I will select, and in this case, I will select cache. And as you see, we have now the button that matches the colors of the other buttons. And like that, as you are able to observe, it was very easy to create a button for your Power BI report. I hope you find this video useful.